Hi, it's Haley. It's like May something and it is 30 degrees out and I'm doing a bikini haul. I'm so excited to do this video. I can't even put it into words. I just got them in the mail today. I didn't even get all of them. I ordered 10. It like split the package into 2 and 3 of them didn't even ship yet. So I'm doing the 7. They're all different styles so everybody can get like a good idea of like what ZAFUL has to offer kind of and like how it fits and everything. So I'm so excited. I'm pale as so I'm sorry already, but I'm really excited to do this video. I can't wait to try on these swimsuits. I like opened them up and peeked at them, but I can't wait to actually put them on. This is kind of going to be the setup. You can't see that, right? So I can't. This is really like vulnerable of me. No, I can't, I'm sorry, but I can't do the mirror behind me. That's just too many angles and I just can't handle all that. Okay, as much as I don't want to do this, I think this is what I'm going to have to do. I'm vulnerable. I don't like this shit, but you know what? It's for the people. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, this is the first one. I fucking love it. I'm like so happy with this. This is like so cute. The cups in here are really, really firm. Like I said, the cups in here, they're like hard, you know? So you know that you're not gonna be like nipping through it. The bottoms have like a stretchy elastic almost, so it's really like grabbing you there, and they're like high-sided, which is kind of like perfect for me because I have the worst hip dips in the whole world. I'm like built like a cereal box. So this is like so cute. I love the color. I'll show you like a picture on the side of what it looks like on the website, but I'm really happy with how this came out. I love it. Okay, this is the second swimsuit. I like the first one better. There was more like support to it. This one is also pretty much a thong. I don't know if you can see in the mirror, but it's big bad. Yeah, I definitely have to like tighten the straps. There's like a corset thing on the back to do that, but this is just definitely like less supportive than a bandeau, which is kind of weird. More flimsy, but I feel like if I tighten the straps then it'll be better. But definitely not great for like broad shoulder women, you know? This style makes me feel a lot bulkier, like broader and bigger, you know? So that may just be my mind, but okay, I finally made the decision to put my hair up because it was really getting in the way. But this is the third swimsuit. I love this one. It's, once again, I'm not disappointed. Like, it's really thick fabric, has padding in the top. The bottoms are super thick and they're not too cheeky, if you can see in there if I turn around. Not too cheeky, definitely. And I really love like the color on this. The bottoms like even kind of look reversible, but there's like a tag on the inside. But the print is like carried out all the way through, if you can see that. Once again, I'm super happy with these swimsuits. I love like the coverage on this one. It's not as cheeky as the last one. The last one was pretty damn bad, but this one's really cute, really good, fun and fresh. Okay, this is the fourth one, I think. Once again, I'm not disappointed. This is a little much. I don't know if this is where I'm supposed to be wearing these ties. I don't know why I don't like it. I'd probably move them back more. But this is really cute. The bottoms are reversible too, and they are not super cheeky. They are like pretty good on coverage. I don't know why this style looks so weird on me. I'll probably end up sharing this with my friend, but I don't love it. But like, I don't know. I'll like figure something out because these straps are weird for me. But definitely if I move the bows back. I like that it's reversible. There's like the same print on the other side, which is cool. And I like the top, I like the print, it's really cute. I'm not sure what I was thinking when I ordered this one. I know damn well high-waisted bottoms don't look fucking good on me, but I love this top. This is really cute. I could probably find a better way to tie this where it doesn't look so like weird. But this whole deal, like this one-sided thing, I'm living for it. Like I've never owned a swimsuit like this, but it's freaking cool. I have to definitely tie this better, like maybe into a bow. Not really sure. The top is really tight. Like I'm surprised. I don't even have big boobs. I don't really have a lot to work with here. And the bottoms, once again, fit good. A lot of coverage, as you can see in the back. I bought a pair of high-waisted bottoms like a couple of years ago, and I never wore them. So, I don't know why I thought that it would work now. But I do love this top. I'll definitely be wearing this top with, like, something else. I have, like, bottoms in mind. But it's, like, this ribbed material. I don't know if you can see at the top and the bottom. Once again, really high quality. Like, super, super impressed for how cheap these are. Definitely going to be ordering, like, the rest of my swimsuits for the rest of my life on this website. These are all, like, really high quality and super comfortable, except for this one. This one's a little tight, but I'll figure it out. It also covers up a lot of my back, so sad, but it's cute. I like the top. I'll figure something out with this, but I like the top. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. I love this. I love this shit. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I love this. I love these bottoms. This kind of gets a little gappy right here. I don't know why. Well, obviously because it comes up a little bit. But maybe if I pull it down. I love this detail. This is so cool. And this top is super comfortable. Padding in it, like, super comfortable. And this looks so cute together. I look like a little mermaid. I don't know why it's giving me mermaid vibes, but oh my god, it's so cute. I do love this. This is really cute. It looks really good on me. Like, I'm super picky about swimsuits. Most of the time I hate how I look, but I'm really feeling like all the confidence right now. Like, this looks so good. I love this. Aw, I love this swimsuit. Wow, this is so cute. So this is my second to last swimsuit. I have one more. This is like the grand finale. Whenever I bought this, I was like, oh, like I knew it was gonna be amazing. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try it on. And this is the last one. I'm so excited to show you guys. I hope I'm not disappointed. Whew, that is a scary, scary thing. Holy shit. Ah. Okay, guys, are you ready? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see the wings? Isn't that so cool? I love this swimsuit. I literally look like a dark angel. Like, I freaking love this. The quality is amazing. This is like begging for a nip slip, but it's really cool because this is adjustable and you can pull it like as tight as you want and it'll fix it. I love this. I am not in the slightest disappointed. This fabric is amazing. These bottoms are so cute. They're like a little bit cheeky, but I vibe with it. I like cheeky. So I love these wings. Like, look at that, like, detail. Like, yes. Yes, I fucking love this. Yes. This looks so cute on, oh my god. I can even like go tanning on this. Like, this is like a total boat day swimsuit. I'm wearing this for the rest of my life. I'm never taking it off. I'm sorry. I'm so happy. I finally found a brand that fits me and looks so good and is so cheap and so affordable. I'm so happy. I literally, they didn't even pay me to say this. Like, I love money, bitches. Like they didn't even pay me to say this, and I'm saying all this. I love this brand. I love these swimsuits. I'm so freaking happy with these. They all look so, so good. I'm not disappointed with any of them. I'm definitely going to order from them again. If you guys want to see another ZAFUL try on video, comment down below, give this a like, and I will definitely make another one. I will spend another $200 on swimsuits. I don't even care. I bought a lot of swimsuits. They just didn't get here yet, and I'm upset that I only have like sort of kind of half of them, but definitely will make another video because these are super cute. Love this. I love this. I love this set. I love all the swimsuits that I got. I literally could not be more happy. I love ZAFUL. I totally will recommend it to literally anyone. I'm 100 pounds. Well, roughly, you know, on a good day. I'm like about 100 and probably 14 after this last week. And I'm also 5 foot. And I ordered a small. Whenever I got them, they looked really big. And I was like, oh, crap. Like, I'm gonna have to give these all to my friend. And she's gonna enjoy them so much more than I will. And I was like so upset. But I tried them on. They all fit perfect. They all have this elastic in them that holds it right up on your sides. And they're all like high-sided swimsuits. I love that shit. I have the tiniest hips. I literally look like a freaking upside down triangle. So this totally helps that. I'm so happy. I can't even. I'm gonna end this video here in my favorite swimsuit with my cute little wings. Ah, this is so cool. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, subscribe to my vlog channel. I have a lot of new stuff coming out on there. And also comment down below if you want another ZAFUL try on video. See ya tomorrow.